So in today's video, we have the spring box. This is the Walmart spring box for 2022. This is $7 every 3 months. And I'm going to tell you, this box is really, really good. It's getting better and better. So if you want to see what I got, here are my thoughts and opinions. One of them, I'm like, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's do the Walmart beauty box. Last one was the winter box, and it was really, really good. For $7, you can't beat that for every 3 months. If you don't know what this is like you get a bunch of samples of it could be beauty, like makeup, skincare, hair care. There are sometimes you do get full-size items. Like last box, I got 3 full-size items, like for $7. You can't beat it. So I forget about this a lot though, because it's every 3 months and it's $7, so it's not like I miss it and on my bank account every 3 months. Do you know what I mean? Trying to cut it because it comes wrapped in paper here. And then there's a little sticker. It says Beauty Box Spring 2022. And then it has V9. So sometimes there's different versions that you get or variations. Okay. So when you open her up, here is like a little pamphlet. And then when you open it up, tells you everything that you could receive in your box. And here's a little sneak peek. Not too much, and I like to tease a little bit. So I do know there are 2 different ones you can get depending on your age. So you go, you fill a little profile, you give them your age, and goes by that. All right. Ooh, this looks pretty good too. Okay. The first thing is from Sarah V right here. This is a daily moisturizing lotion. And I have tried the full size, and I do like Sarah V's products. I really do. And let's see. The full size would be $11.36, and we know this is not the full size, so okay. I remember Walmart Beauty Box just started years ago. You used to get all foil packets, and even though it was only $5, I used to get so mad. I hate foil packets, so they have really improved a lot. Okay, the next thing, this is a full size from NYX. And it is a volume mascara. Okay, when I looked at it at first, I thought it was a lipstick, but I love me some mascara because you guys know I am a hashtag natural lash type of gal. So I love getting mascaras. Okay, where you be? So I don't see it on here, but this is the first time I noticed this. It has a little question mark, and it says, "Don't see your product here. Your box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd love." Okay, so I can't. It's in black. I can't tell you the price on that, but that's what she looks like. I've never tried, I don't think I've ever tried any NYX mascara that I can remember. Ooh, and I like these ones because it separates, Okay, so we have that. The next thing comes in here. I like that they put them in the bag now, or they wrap it up, because before everything used to leak, so they're learning. Okay, so this is a leave-in conditioner from Eden Beauty, and it's a coconut shea butter Let's see what it says. I don't see this either. All right, but I love leave-in conditioners. Oh my God, it smells just like, I always do that, you can smell it. But it's filled to the top. So I don't know if this is full size or not. If it's a deluxe sample, I mean, that's a decent size, So, all right, we have that. And then the other thing was, a hand sanitizer it says, "Find your happy place. Under the starlit sky hand sanitizer." All right, and I don't see this either. No, it is here. Okay, so full size will be $3.97. It would be 2 fluid ounces. And how many are you? Oh, so this is full size. This is 2 fluid ounces. So $4. And it smells like regular hand sanitizer. I mean, these 2 products right here pays for the box. Probably the mascara alone pays for the box, All right, so we just have a couple more things. Then we have this little bitty sample. So this is Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. Full size would be $7.98. So I'm not going to open it or swatch it, but that's the shade. It's a very pretty shade. All right, the next thing is this, and I always tell you I hate getting stuff like this in a beauty box, but I give all this stuff to my husband. He loves these type of things. So it's just a personal preference, you know? This is a hydration multiplier. All right, let me see what it says. Full size would be $8.98, and you get 6 of these. It says, get hydrated faster and more efficiently than by drinking water alone. This delicious non-GMO electrolyte powder drink mix contains 5 essential vitamins. Okay, so you just pour that in water or whatever. And last but not least is this little like foil packet. This is what the Walmart beauty box used to always be. And what is it? Let's see. Oh, it's a serum. It's a hyaluronic acid serum. Full size will be $23.58. Wow. That I understand why they give you a little bit. Okay, so let's recap everything that we received in the Walmart box for $7. So you get a little sample. This definitely you can try it only one time. You get a full-size mascara. You get a full-size hand sanitizer. Get a little itty-bitty lipstick. But this will last you for a minute. You get a leave-in conditioner, which I'm really excited about getting that, and it smells amazing. You get a sample size of the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. And I like stuff like this to put in my pocketbook, you know. You get one of these, you know, like powdered drinks you put in your water or what have you. And I think that's everything. For $7, you cannot beat this. I think it's so good. I really, really do. Let me know what you think of these Walmart boxes. Do you get them? Do you not? Let me know your thoughts and opinions. And that's everything. Short, sweet, and right to the point. All right, guys, please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. Make sure you comment. Comment helps me out as well. Let me know what you think of the Walmart beauty box. Let me know how your day is going. Leave an emoji. Don't forget to turn your post notification bells on. That way you get notified for all of my future videos, because we all know YouTube doesn't like notifying anybody anymore. So I've also got into doing like makeup videos. I did one with the dollar makeup, the Shop Missy, and oh my God, some of the stuff was so good. So I'll leave those videos down below. I also did like a Makeup Geek try on and stuff like that. So if you're interested in that type of stuff, I have more content coming like that. And yeah, I don't have anything else to say. All right, guys, stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. All right. I'm really satisfied with this box. All right, Walmart, I see you. I'm hungry. Why am I always hungry every time I do an unboxing? I don't know. Want some mozzarella sticks?